Hi there, grade 1. Our lesson for today in maths is 1 more or 1 less, 10 more or 10 less. More means to add. It means our number is getting bigger. In this box, I have 1 more than 10. It means 1 will be added into 10. To write correctly, 10 plus 1. What do you think is the answer? Good, it's 11. I have here 10 more than 10. It means 10 will be added into 10. To write correctly, we have 10 plus 10 is equals to? Good, it's 20. Less means to take away. It means our number is getting smaller. 1 less than 10, it means 1 will be taken away from 10. To write correctly, 10 minus 1 is equals to? Good, it's 9. 10 less than 10 means 10 will be taken away from 10. To write, 10 minus 10 is equals to? Good, it's 0. I have here the number grid. Using the number grid, you can practice 1 and 10 more or less of a number. Let's check it out. The given number is 43. What is 1 more than 43? It's 44. It means you're going to count on ones from 43 that gives you 44. What is 1 less than 43? This time, you're going to count back from 43 once. What's the answer? Correct. It's 42. What is 10 more than 43? More means counting on. It means from 43, you have to count 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 more than 43 is 53. What is 10 less than 43? If more is counting on, again, less is counting back. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is 10 less than 43? Good, it's 33. Let's find out another number. I have 78. What is 1 more than 78? Good, it's 79. What is 1 less than 78? Good, it's 77. What is 10 more than 78? Correct, it's 88. What is 10 less than 78? It's 68. Can you see the amazing pattern? Let's try another one. The number is 28. What is 1 more than 28? It's 29. What is 1 less than 28? It's 27. What is 10 more than 28? It's 38. And what is 10 less than 28? It's 18. Now, let's try to answer. Using the number grid, answer these questions. What is 1 less than 65? Look for 65. 1 less means counting back once. The answer is 64. What is 1 more than 83? Find out 83 and count on ones from 83. What is the correct answer? It's 84. What is 1 less than 52? Look now the 52 on the grid and count back once. What's the answer? It's 51. What is 1 more than 90? You have the 90 and count on once. What's the answer? Correct. It's 91. Let's try with the 10 less and 10 more. What is 10 less than 65? Very good. It's 55. What is 10 more than 83? Good. It's 93. What is 10 less than 52? Very good. It's 42. What is 10 more than 90? Well done. It's 100. Always remember, when we say 10 less from the number, you have to go up. When we say 10 more from the number, you have to go down. If we have 10 less of 46, go up to take 36. If we are looking for 10 more than 46, go down. That gives you 10 more than 46 is 56. Now, try to answer the AFL.